What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Obviously, I'm assuming by the title and the thumbnail, you guys know we're going pheasant hunting. So I have Mr. Remy with me again. Hopefully he's gonna bring us some luck today, get us on the birds. I seen one coming in, heard a bunch of shots over that way. So they should have just gotten done doing their Christmas stocking. So should be a good day. Got plenty of time to get a bird down, so let's get after him. Rem. Just out of reach. Damn. I knew there'd be one in here. Oh, I sure ran at him, I guess. Try to run him down, I guess. I don't know. It's the only bird I've seen. Heard plenty of shooting so far, but it's the only bird I've actually seen with my eyes. So hey, we'll have to run him down. Rem got on him pretty good though. I'm impressed. A little timid. I think he could have caught that bird. That bird went somewhere down that way, I believe. That bird's either in this strip of woods in here, or he landed just on the back side of this hill. So my plan is go up here, view, see where he might have went. Damn. He must have went in the woods. Damn. Come on. With me. Oh God, that sucked. He was just probably too far away. Alright guys, I see one. He's working his way into the woods right there. As soon as he's in, I'm running. Alright. Come on, find him. He could be anywhere in here, guys. God. Dog loves the water, I'll tell you. Come on, we're gonna go this way. Yeah. I get some going. Alright, I just saw some more. They're working their way through this field here. They're up there. I still see them. It'll be a miracle if I can catch up with them before they get in this stuff. Alright, this is unbelievably thick. We'll see what happens. I see him still. I gotta get one over. I thought he was in here. He's up there though. Maybe I can go through right here. Get him, Rem. Get him, Rem. Get him, Remy. Come on. Good boy. All right, all right. There's one, boys. He's done. Ooh, that spooked me. All right. Oh, beautiful ringneck. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're a good boy. Yeah. All right, let's go get that other one. Good boy. There was no missing that one. Come on. There we go. All right, come on. They're in here. Get him, Remy. I see him. It's so thick. That wasn't one. I don't know what that was. It kind of looked like a falcon. Alright, let's get out of here. It's so thick. Can't see nothing. I'm just gonna keep walking down through here. Stop, listen. This is where they're at. This thick crap. Looks like there's a couple lanes going through here. I bet you we can get another one up. I think I might try to cut through here. This looks like it's thick, but it's not that thick. Yeah, look right there's a good trail. Come on. Get him up. I think I'm gonna jump one more, go that way, because at the top of that hill there's where I had seen that other bird. And the bird I seen fly away, I could not identify it as a pheasant. It looked like a falcon. You guys see that bird? I knew he was up there. Literally where we just were. All right, let's go get him. Damn, they got away. Get him, Rem. Get him. He was right in front of me. Find him, Rem. Remy had him pinned. Damn birds don't fly. That much is for sure. Oh, buddy. I think he got away. Whew, whew, whew. What a great day. A little chilly, but oh. Remy did phenomenal. And he pretty much, that last bird that we were chasing around, he's the one who put us on it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know me and Remy did. So, what are you doing? Hey, did you have fun today? Be sure to leave a like for me. And if you're new to the channel, please click subscribe. Putting out a lot of videos right now, trying to get out as many as I can for you guys. So until then, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.